What is up, guys? We are back in this thing early in the morning. Time now is 6:58. We rolled up to the spot out here in good old Prosper, Texas. We got a couple of boys out here with me today. We got Bassinator 9000 back there, the boy Ethan. Then we got your boy DFW Fishing 13, and as always, the bro Brody, BPC Fishing. So yeah, man, you know what it is. We got the yaks out today. Brody doesn't have a yak, unfortunately, but it is what it is. So he's gonna be banking it, and we're gonna be out there yakking it. Water clarity should be great. As always, this spot is full of grass, so it should be a good morning. I'm hoping this place has some monsters lurking in it, but it's been a minute since we've been out here. That's all right, but we're gonna get it done today. So yeah, man, we're gonna get these yaks rigged up, ready, and down to the water, and we're gonna get out there, and we're gonna switch this thing over to the GoPro, and we're gonna roll right into this thing. So let's get it. Yes, got us a good one on the frog right there. Chill, bro. If you get that hook in my hand. Dang, his mouth is sharp too. Right there. Good solid chunk for the day right there, baby. First one on the frog. Flipping this grass over here with that bad boy. We got ourselves a meat. Yeah, look at that right there. All right.
That's good.
Alright guys, that is going to do it for today's video. Long day. We just got off the water, 11:53. I didn't get skunked, but hey, I got one on the line. Luke's boy, what is it, Trey? Yes, Trey got 11, I want to say. Luke got 5. And what's your other boy's name? Cooper, how many did you get, Coop? Coop took the skunk today. Bassinator 9,000. He already dipped out. I guess something was wrong with his yak. So he burnt off, and he took the skunk as well, and so did Brody. But it's all good because we came out here, we got it done. We came, we saw, and we conquered, and that's all good. But we'll be back out here to do it again another day. So yeah, man, we're gonna end this video on that note. And as always, man, if you like what I'm doing, if you love what I'm doing, if you hate what I'm doing, by all means, jump down there in them comments and leave your boy some feedback. And as always, check back in with your boy, That Bass Fishing Dude, on the next video. Peace.